Are you tired of being blocked while web scraping? Don't worry, there's a solution. Websites use anti-botting technology like CAPTCHAs, IP blocking, and behavioral analysis to protect their data. But with the right tools, you can bypass these measures and access the public data you need. Lightning Proxies is your ultimate ally for web scraping. With premium rotating proxies and high-speed residential IPs, you'll outsmart anti-bot systems with ease. Websites use various techniques to block bots, such as CAPTCHAs, the I'm not a robot tests, rate limiting that restricts how many requests you can send, IP blocking that flags suspicious addresses, and fingerprinting, which analyzes device details like operating system or browser. They also use behavioral analysis to detect unusual patterns like rapid clicks or navigation. Lightning Proxies offers cutting-edge solutions to tackle these challenges. Rotating proxies ensure every request comes from a fresh IP, mimicking real users, while residential proxies make your connection look like it's from a real household, not a data center. Advanced customization options allow you to adjust headers, spoof browser fingerprints, and rotate user agents seamlessly. Many providers claim to offer reliable proxies, but Lightning Proxies delivers the speed, dependability, and 24/7 customer support you need to scrape without interruptions. To bypass the toughest anti-bot measures, use headless browsers to simulate real user behavior. Rotate your proxies frequently with Lightning Proxies to avoid detection. Employ CAPTCHA-solving tools for sites that demand it, and simulate human actions like scrolling and delayed clicks to avoid behavioral triggers. For an even smoother experience, Lightning Proxies integrates with automation tools, ensuring you can scrape efficiently without worrying about complex setups. Ready to take your scraping to the next level? Switch to Lightning Proxies today and outsmart anti-bot measures like never before. Click the link in the description to get started.